Here we have the SN30 Pro Plus Bluetooth gamepad by BitDo. On the front it shows what it can connect with, so Switch, Windows, Android, Mac OS and Steam. Comes with obviously the gamepad, USB cable and a rechargeable battery pack. There's nothing on the sides, bottom, side. Here's the back again, it just says the same stuff, what it's usable with, anything with Bluetooth essentially. Firmware, where to get that. This is the SN edition. They also have a black version as well. Alright, let's open it up. Nice solid box. Okay, so here we've got the software download link. We've got the instruction manual. Shows how to connect it to each device. They all connect a little bit differently. Switch, hold Y and start. Android B and start, Windows X and start, Mac A and start. It's got a turbo function. Battery, this one actually comes with a rechargeable battery, so you don't need to buy your AA's. So 2 AA's will last 20 hours, same with the rechargeable battery pack. Also charges in just 4 hours. It's got power saving, so if it's not connected and it's on, it'll turn off in 1 minute. If it's connected to a system, it'll turn off in 15 minutes without being used. Again, you got your link for your support. And this is the controller itself. So I've been using this one for about 12 months. I got it in December last year. It's a removable battery pack, rechargeable. So you've got your Y, X, A, B, your home button, start, select, your D-pad, and your turbo or macro key, as well as your analog sticks. This one here has grips attached to it, very comfortable to hold for long periods of time. And naturally my thumbs kind of rest in the middle of everything, so YB and just between the stick and the directional buttons here. The D-pad is very good on this controller for the first couple hundred hours of use, but mine's actually essentially worn out now. So you can see it's very loose. I've used this for about 2,000 hours of gameplay. So it does wear out over time. I've stopped using the D-pad and now I only use the left analog stick. So the issue is that it's become very loose. So if I press down and kind of to the right or left, it presses left and right as well. So it's hard to do any platformers or any fighting games that require combos with the D-pad now. Same with left, if you're pressing too far up or too far down, it'll press up or down. I've also noticed that when I turn the controller on and I'm connecting to the Switch, the up button seems to automatically start being pressed. I can fix that just by pressing up and down a few times and it eventually releases. So I only use the analog sticks. It's a very good controller. The USB charging cable is USB A to USB C. So you can just always have this connected to your Switch, charge it overnight and you're ready to go for another couple of days. The controller does work wired. If for some reason your batteries are flat and you don't have any spare to use, you can just plug it straight into your console and use it with the wire. Okay, so we've got the BitDo Ultimate software installed. So you can either choose Windows, Switch or Android. It will save the profile which you update. So here's the profile settings up here. You can change, create or load. We'll go to the default. So you can remap any of the buttons. Just go over to the side here, select a button which you want to change over. And you can choose any other key or no keys, turbo, hold or burst. You can also adjust the sensitivity for the sticks. Vibration as well, you get to choose how powerful you want it. You can also set up macro keys, so you get to choose a duration, which button to apply it to, and what order of button presses you want to set up. So that's the software. Okay, so that was the BitDo SN30 Pro Plus Bluetooth gamepad. It's a great controller, very comfortable, it's got great battery life, and the battery is removable and swappable. It's also able to be used with a wire, so if it does manage to drain down, just plug it back in and you're ready to go. I don't know if this issue with the D-pad was just with me, where it became loose and started pressing diagonally, but it did take several hundred hours for that to start. I still recommend the controller, it's very comfortable. It works with multiple systems. If you like the video, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.